Hey guys, Steve Overgaard. We're converting this school bus into a tiny home. Come along. We bought this bus a couple months ago from Montgomery County Schools, Maryland. Last weekend we finished taking all the old windows out and getting the metal skins on the bus, and so now it's time to put the RV windows back where we want them. This is where the kitchen's going to be. We got everything marked out, so right about here we're going to put a window close to where the sink is going to be. So we'll be putting one there, and along this wall, this is the passenger side wall, we're going to be putting a window right here so we can see to the right of the bus when we drive mainly. And then we'll have two windows here, which is where the couch will be. And then we'll have two windows here, which is where the little dinette is going to be. That's what we want to install today. Also last week, we tackled a long-standing electrical issue. When the bus would sit for more than 3 days, it was difficult, if not impossible, to start due to a vampire leak in the electrical system, where the electrical system would drain down. We really didn't know what it was going on, but Joel Lopez came to the rescue, and we did some electrical work last weekend, and I think we've chased it down because we tried this a little bit earlier. The bus goes through a little diagnostic, then beeps, and then it started right up. So whatever it was, ain't no more. Get it, buddy, get it. So here we have the window marked off, and we're drilling the little pilot holes, and from there we'll use a jigsaw to cut it out. Okay, so what we did here is we made a cardboard template which matches exactly the window that we're installing. We measured on the inside and the outside. We held the template up to the bus and traced around it. So we have a perfect indicator where the window should go.
Go to the inside.
So the first window is in and opens up. It's got a screen. Locks. Here's the first window from the outside. Todd is putting a bead of caulk right around the outside flange. So the wall structure ended up being this. The 18 gauge outside skin, which we put in last weekend, insulated board, sturdy plywood, 1/2 inch, and then we put a 1/2 inch furring strip inside so that everything would mate up perfectly. And we are just about wrapped up for the day, other than some cleanup. We've got 5 windows on the passenger side. I'm sitting in the driver's seat right now, and you can see that I can be able to see at an intersection fairly well to the right, which I couldn't do that before. And then we've got the one window over here on the driver's side, and this is going to be in the kitchen area.